Let's learn the sounds of AI and EE. AI has the sound of long A. A. Aim. Aid. Aid means help. Air. Pale. Bail. Fail. Hail. Nail. Rail. Sail. Mail. Jail. Tail. Trail. Fair. Hair. Pair. Wait. Pain. Laid. Remember that Y at the end of a word usually has a long E sound. Daily. Dairy. Dairy means any food made from milk. Hairy. Paint. Snail. Grain. Rain. This TH will have its unvoiced sound of faith. Faint. Here are some words where AI has other vowel sounds. The most important one is said, which has a short E. The next most important word is the word again. Note that both of these A's schwa, which means they take on a muffled sound. So this is again with a short E, and this is against with a short E. You could see the word again inside against. Finally, we have the word plaid, which has a short A. Plaid is a pattern in fabric. EE has the long E sound, so this is E. See. Fee. Free. Tree. Deep. Jeep. This is a brand of car. That's why it has a capital letter. Beep. Keep. Weep. To weep means to cry. Beer. Deer. Beef. Feet. Meat. Eel. Feel. Heel. This word heel means the back of your foot. It does not mean to get better. Peel. Feed. Seek. Peak. Week. This word week refers to 7 days. Meek. Seem. Seen. Bleed. In both of these words, CH will use its most common sound of ch. Cheer. Cheek. Green. The one main exception to EE, where it has a different sound, is the word ben, where it has a short E. Note that this is in American English. If you're finding this video useful, please hit subscribe so you can find my future videos more easily.